When your electrical equipment is unmonitored, every failure comes with the possibility of an unplanned downtime event. This can be particularly problematic when your equipment operates in a hazardous environment where even small repairs often require hot work permits, specialized PPE, and safety equipment to diagnose the problem. And deploying again with the right personnel, parts, tools, and PPE before the repair can begin, all while productivity losses add up. Managing equipment from the control room doesn't provide data about changing equipment performance or conditions that can help you prevent downtime. With solutions from the Brightlayer Industrial Suite monitoring your equipment, your facility managers, reliability managers, and maintenance staff will get timely notifications and alarms when equipment condition or performance changes, enabling them to respond before an issue can lead to equipment damage or unplanned downtime. In addition to prioritizing the safety of your personnel and making the most of their valuable time, Brightlayer Industrial Suite solutions also empower your electrical maintenance experts to increase the mean time between failures, ensuring less unplanned downtime and improving your business's bottom line. Maximize the safety of your personnel and the performance of your electrical equipment with solutions from the Brightlayer Industrial Suite. Contact your Eaton Solution Architect today to start designing a system tailored to your operational requirements. Learn more at eaton.com/Brightlayer Industrial Suite.